Hi, I'm Dan from QuikTap, and today we're going to be going over the QuikTap Golf Kit. Inside your kit box, you will find one 2.5 gallon stainless steel Cornelius style keg. You'll also find one 12-pack of 74-gram single-use CO2 cylinders. We also have a 30 PSI brass single-use regulator assembly, a faucet assembly, which includes a 304 stainless steel self-closing faucet. And lastly, you'll find the maintenance kit, which includes one heavy-duty faucet brush, O-ring replacement kit, some ring lube, sanitizer, and PBW. Everything needed to keep your kegs clean, sanitized, and functioning properly. You can check out full-length cleaning and maintenance videos, as well as pro tips and safety information at QuikTap.com/get started. What makes this golf kit different from our other dispensers is the addition of a gas disconnect with internal check valve, which prevents the regulator from backflow. The golf kit comes with a stainless steel self-closing faucet, which prevents unexpected openings if you choose to utilize the system on your beverage cart. We'll get into more about that later. Now that we've seen what's inside the kit box, let's take a closer look at the 2.5 gallon stainless steel Cornelius style keg, which comes with an option to add a full color vinyl wrap to promote brand awareness. Using your maintenance kit, we highly suggest cleaning and sanitizing the unit prior to use. To open the top lid of the Cornelius keg, we first need to make sure that there is no pressure inside the keg. To do this, we're going to pull up on the pressure relief valve located at the top of the lid cover. You will not be able to remove the lid if there is any pressure inside the keg. Remove the top lid by releasing the top handle, turning it and pulling it up and out of the keg. We recommend batching your cocktails at 2.25 gallons or as close to 288 ounces as possible. The reason we recommend 2.25 gallons is to help protect against backflow into the regulator. Even though the golf kit utilizes a gas disconnect with internal check valve, the batch size of 2.25 gallons is best practice. Now let's pour your cocktail ingredients inside the keg. Be sure to strain any ingredients that have seeds or impediments that could clog the unit. Using thick mixes is not advised. Shut and secure the lid, then shake vigorously to mix your cocktail without the faucet and regulator assemblies attached. Now your cocktail is in your keg and you're ready to dispense. Take a 74-gram CO2 cylinder and the regulator assembly from your golf kit. Turn your regulator counterclockwise to the off position. Then screw the CO2 cylinder into the regulator assembly until fully seated. Do not cross thread, and be sure to do swiftly as not to let any gas leak out. The beverage grade 74-gram CO2 cylinder is used to push the beverage out of the keg. Depending on many variables, including ambient air temperature, pouring PSI, or headspace in the keg to name a few, each 74-gram cylinder, on average, can dispense two 2.5-gallon kegs. This CO2 also acts as a natural preservative, helping extend the shelf life of natural ingredients. Let's attach the regulator assembly to the in poppet on the keg by pulling up on the collar and pushing straight down on the disconnect firmly. This is designed to be a tight fit. Helpful reminder, gray is gas, gas goes in. Now turn the regulator clockwise to your desired pouring pressure. Most cocktails are dispensed at 4 to 6 psi. You'll hear the gas pressurizing the keg. If you overpressure, turn the regulator down and simply pull up on the pressure relief valve to rid the keg of excess gas. You also want to purge the oxygen out of the headspace of your keg. You can do this by pulling up on the PRV and hold for 2 or 3 seconds. Retrieve your self-closing stainless steel faucet assembly. Inside the bubble bag, there is a 2.5-inch black faucet handle. Screw this on the faucet. Just like you did with the regulator assembly, pull up on the collar and install the faucet on the out poppet, pressing straight down firmly until you hear the click. Helpful reminder, black is booze and booze goes out. Now you're locked and loaded and you're ready to pour. Grab a cup, fill it with ice, Pull the faucet handle towards you and get the cocktails pouring. We've created 2 different mounting options to incorporate the QuikTap Dispenser for golf onto your beverage cart and elevate your on-the-course beverage program. The simplest solution is utilizing our strap kit, which includes 2 36-inch Velcro straps, 4 stainless steel D-rings, and 2 sets of 4 screws each. This option is ideal when you have a horizontal support structure under the dispenser, which will support the weight and you just want to keep the keg from sliding around. The more advanced option is our mounting bracket, which comes with the aluminum bracket, 2 36-inch Velcro straps, some screws, nuts, and nylock washers for various mounting scenarios. This option can be fastened and utilized in situations where there isn't a horizontal support. It also works well to stabilize the dispenser if you simply want to strap it to the front seat. There are several different brands and setups of beverage carts, so it's almost impossible to create this one-size-fits-all. However, these mounting options will accommodate the majority of beverage cart setups. So there you have it, the most portable, versatile, profit-making cocktail dispenser on the market, made for the golf club environment. Perfect for on the course, at the pool bar, on the courts, golf outings, weddings and events, and even to-go cocktails. Same dispenser, multiple uses. This is QuikTap. Cheers.